In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who sent you NGL messages for free. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Now I'm on my NGL account and there I got some message on my inbox and I can open it up. I can see that question. It says, do you like apples? Some person asked me if I like apples or not. And if I hit on who sent this, now it says that just pro members can see exclusive hints on each messages. So I have no way to know free who sent that messages except that one life hack that I'm going to show you. So now all I have to do, I need to open up my Instagram, and there on that account I need to open up that story where I asked that question. So there is my story. Here I asked that questions. I just public that story to send me anonymous messages, and there I can hit on activity tab, and there I see all the 3 persons that has viewed that story, and now I know for sure that one of them just have sent that message for me. If there is just one person, you will make sure for 100% that that person was sent you anonymous question. But if there are more persons, you can say exactly who of them sent you anonymous question, but you know for sure that this question was sent from that specific person, from one of that specific persons. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button if it was helpful for you and don't forget to subscribe.